Alright.
This is not with my chainsaw. Little one. MS-170. I should be able to get most of it. So I'm hoping it goes there and not there. I know it ain't going there. So let's see what happens. We're going that way. Luckily I scared the rabbit away. Alright. Right on, like Bruce says. That was easy. I'm gonna just clean that up. And that's it. Nice. Exactly where I wanted it to fall. Because if you see, oops. Alright, so there's the bite. There's the stump. There's a tree. That's the only place for it to go. So now I'm just gonna clean that up for a bit today. I might leave that big the big chunk for my chainsaw on Saturday. We'll see what happens. Talk to you later.